How to create account in Grubhub app. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Grubhub app. After you are in the app, you will see this kind of interface. Now, in order to create a new account, you need to tap on this sign in button. You will be prompted to the sign in page. If you are new to this and you want to create a new account, there are various options in order to create your account. You can use your Google account, your Amazon account, your Facebook account, or you can provide your email address in order to create a new account. So you can select your preferred option. For now, I'll choose to create my account with Facebook. So tap on this continue with Facebook option and follow along the process. And there you go, your account is successfully created on Grubhub app. Now you can enter your location, select your precise location, and the app will show up the deals around your location. So that's it. That's how you can easily create your account on Grubhub. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.